know and love the burger. That juicy patty nestled between soft buns, loaded with toppings. It's an icon of fast food, a symbol of American culture. But have you ever stopped to consider the incredible journey of the burger? It's a story that stretches back centuries, involves kings and commoners, and has been shaped by innovation, controversy, and our insatiable hunger for something delicious. This isn't just about how burgers are made in a factory. It's about the epic tale of the burger itself. Get ready for a flavorful adventure, a bite-through burger history. Before we dive into the world of industrial burger production, let's sink our teeth into the fascinating history of this beloved food. Ancient ancestors. Meat patties across cultures. The concept of a ground meat patty isn't a modern invention. Ancient civilizations across the globe enjoyed forms of chopped or minced meat. The Romans, for example, were fond of a dish called isisia, a type of meat patty. This demonstrates that the idea of processed meat has been around for a very long time. Hamburg's humble beginnings. The burger's more direct ancestor can be traced to Hamburg, Germany. In the 19th century, Hamburg was a major European port, and ground beef patties, often cooked and seasoned, were a common dish. These Hamburg steaks were a staple for working-class people. Immigrant influence, bringing the burger to America. German immigrants brought the Hamburg steak with them to the United States in the 19th century. Restaurants in New York City began featuring Hamburg steak on their menus, often served between two pieces of bread. The birth of the burger as we know it. Innovation and debate. The exact origin of the modern burger is a subject of much debate, with several individuals and locations claiming to be the birthplace. However, the late 19th and early 20th centuries saw crucial innovations. The bun, serving the patty between two halves of a bun rather than just slices of bread, was a key development. This made it a portable and convenient meal. Regional claims. Cities like Seymour, Wisconsin, Athens, Texas, and Tulsa, Oklahoma, all have strong claims to have invented the modern burger. The World's Fair, the 1904 St. Louis. World's Fair is often credited with popularizing the burger nationwide, as it introduced the dish to a massive audience. The rise of fast food, the burger's global domination. The 20th century saw the burger explode in popularity, largely thanks to the rise of fast food chains. Companies like McDonald's, Burger King, and White Castle standardized burger production and made them accessible to the masses, transforming the burger into a global phenomenon. This historical context adds depth to our understanding of the burger. It's not just a fast food item, it's a food with a rich and complex past. From farm to factory, the burger's production journey. Now let's explore how burgers are made on an industrial scale. From farm to factory, the journey of beef burgers. The journey of a beef burger begins on cattle farms, where animals are raised primarily for their meat. Cattle farming. These farms are located worldwide, but a significant portion of the beef used in US or UK beef burgers comes from local or regional suppliers. Farmers raise cattle on a combination of grass and grains to ensure they grow healthy and produce high-quality beef. The quality of the finished meat is greatly influenced by the feed, environment, and care provided by farmers. Harvesting. Cattle are typically harvested when they reach 18 to 24 months of age and weigh between 1,200 and 1,500 pounds. This age and weight balance ensures the meat has the desired juiciness and tenderness. Abattoir. The cattle are taken to abattoirs, slaughterhouses, for processing. These facilities are designed to handle animals efficiently and ideally humanely. Beef production is a global industry with major operations in countries like the United States, Brazil, and Australia. The UK alone has tens of thousands of farms raising cattle for meat production. Animal welfare. To minimize animal suffering and maintain meat quality, the shipping process is carefully managed to reduce stress on the animals. Upon arrival at the abattoir, the animals are stunned to ensure a rapid and compassionate death, adhering to animal welfare regulations. Beef processing, creating the patty. Once the beef is sourced, it moves on to meat processing facilities for large-scale production. Preparation. These facilities break down the beef into cuts, separating lean and fatty portions to achieve the ideal blend for burger patties. An 80-20 fat-to-meat ratio is common for juicy burgers. Grinding and mixing. The beef is ground and combined into a uniform mixture. Large-scale grinding machines process enormous amounts of meat. The minced meat is often seasoned with salt and pepper in large tanks, ensuring consistent flavor throughout. Patty forming. The seasoned meat is then divided into portions by automated cutters. These machines use precise blades to cut and shape the meat into uniform patties. Patty forming machines ensure consistent size, shape, and weight, crucial for fast food chains. Additives and consistency. While the meat may be 100% beef, modern food processing often involves additives to ensure consistency and cost-effectiveness. Binders and fillers. Some patties contain binders or fillers like soy protein or textured vegetable protein, TVP, to maintain uniformity across thousands of restaurants. These ingredients help the beef retain juiciness and structure during cooking and freezing. Cost reduction. Additives can also help reduce the overall amount of beef used, lowering the cost of production. Balancing act. The use of additives is a balancing act between taste, price, and consistency, a key element of fast food appeal. Bun production, the burger's cradle. The burger relies on its bun, and bun production is a significant process. Dough preparation, it starts at the mixing station, where flour, yeast, and other ingredients are combined to create a smooth dough. Shaping. The dough is then cut into uniform circles by precise cutting mechanisms. Each piece is formed into the shape of a burger bun. Baking. The dough balls are placed into baking pans and moved to a proofing room, a warm area where the buns rise for about an hour. The pans are then placed in industrial ovens preheated to around 464 degrees Fahrenheit, where hundreds of buns are baked simultaneously. The buns move through the oven on conveyor belts, exposed to heat for a specific time. Cooling and packaging. The freshly baked buns cool in a specialized cooling chamber. They are then transferred to the packaging station, where they are sorted and placed into airtight bags. The bags are vacuum sealed, stacked, and prepared for distribution. Final processing. Grilling, freezing, and packaging. Grilling, freshly made meat patties are placed on grills, where high temperatures cook them. Freezing. The grilled patties are quickly transported to a rapid, freezing environment at -18 degrees Celsius. This process preserves freshness, integrity, and quality. Packaging. The patties are moved to the packaging section, where automated lines process hundreds of units per minute. Burgers are either individually wrapped or placed in pre-portioned bundles. Packs are vacuum sealed or coated in protective plastic to maintain freshness. Packaging is often customized for different customers, from retail to restaurants. Labeling. The final step is labeling. Each package receives a label with information such as weight, ingredients, nutritional values, and expiration dates. Barcodes are also added for distribution and inventory control. This process ensures product integrity and provides clarity for customers. Modern plants can produce up to 5 million patties weekly, demonstrating the scale of the operation. Human oversight. Even with automation, human workers are crucial. They monitor equipment, conduct inspections, and ensure quality standards are met at each step. This combination of technology and human expertise ensures a consistent, safe, and high-quality product. A delicious farewell. So, there you have it, the fascinating and complex story of the burger, from its ancient origins to its modern mass production. It's a journey through history, culture, and industrial innovation. If this deep dive into the burger's past and present has whetted your appetite for more captivating content, then don't just stand there. Slap that like button like you're slapping a juicy patty onto a grill. And to ensure you don't miss a single bite of our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and join our community of curious viewers. We've got a whole buffet of intriguing topics coming your way, so stay hungry for knowledge and subscribe the video.